So now that we are at the plinth level for all the rooms, Ravi is going to explain what happens next.
Okay, these 4 columns has to be these 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 columns in the entire building. They need to be casted then. So after casting that, actually this column, this foundation has to come and take this column here at this point.
So the foundation at the living room area has to.
Now it is staggered actually. Now we are just discontinued here.
Correct.
That has to continue and has to touch at the edge of the column, at this edge of the column. So this foundation has to come and at this.
This and this has to.
Yes, to link each other. Then there should be a foundation between these 2 columns.
Right.
So that they have
column 1, column 2.
Similarly, column 3 and 4 on those 2 sides.
Okay.
So this foundation has to come, and then that the plinth band, that the plinth concrete has to pass through these columns and all around the foundation.
I see. That will connect all of them together.
All of them together.
Okay. It's column 1. They're doing the casting.
Yeah. Column 1 is done, and column 2 is now casting the footing.
Is it only this much, or they do it all the way to the top?
No, not all the way to. It's only that the footing concrete.
Okay.
Then after that, there's a column casting. So from that point onwards, only a column. It's about 1.2 feet by something like that. It's 350 mm.
Okay.
So it goes up.
Then they will do masonry on?
No, it will be a concrete casting. You have to put a forum work all around, and then you have to pour concrete inside it.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So that will become solid concrete member.
Okay.
Reinforcement.
How tall will that go?
So that will come up to the plinth level.
Up to the plinth.
Plinth will go there.
I
and then
see.
after the plinth, once again this will continue.
Okay. It took them 1 day to get all this?
Yes. 1 day is for all.
Now this column 3 and 4.
Column 3 and 4 with a mat.
You just put
the
steel.
mat at the bottom.
Mat.
So steel mat, that is the concrete mat. And then columns are placed in position with reference to the center line what you have marked here. There is a one center line here and another center line here passing through line. So it goes like this. So this is the one. This is 3 and 4. This 3 and 4, this foundation we have laid up to here. Now it has to take a deviation like this at an angle of 40 degree, and then it goes and then it connects at the edge of the column. And another point, actually from the another edge of the column, this foundation goes like this, and goes like this. Even all the plinth band also goes in a similar fashion like this.
Right. Yeah, we can see that some of it right here.
Yeah. So that offset, that corresponding
Correct.
to this offset, and then it comes this corner, this offset. So all this plinth concrete. Plinth goes like this, and it will be having it is an inclination it is given.
Correct.
So that goes like this and turns like this.
Right. That makes it a little bit complicated, I guess.
It's not all that complicated.
Or a little more time consuming?
No. Because the dimensions and the drawings are very clear, so we don't find any problem in this. There is no complexity.
Okay.
Because all dimensions are very clear, so it's not that there is no problem in this.
Okay. So when that is done, what happens with the tank? Is that when everything
in the tank also
comes together?
That is the one foundation. You have stopped there only with a staggered footing. Actually, it has to, when the wall comes for this rainwater for some,
correct.
Then it will go and touch with the concrete wall. That is called as a retaining wall.
I see.
So on that foundation and this foundation, they will come and pack with the
wall.
The wall. Concrete wall basically.
Concrete wall.
1, 2, 3 here. And this course anyway it will touch here. There's the 4th one. And there will be one 5th one.
Correct.
So all these 3 will go and up into the concrete wall of the
rainwater. And on top of there will be the plinth beam.
Here actually all inverted beams. Actually that
here is the inverted beam, yeah. But here will be all of those will
all
be
of
the
them are
beam.
linked to each other. So it will be
on top of the rainwater is the inverted beam.
Correct.
Okay. So for this also there will be similar steel thing or steel?
Similar steel. But there will be a double layer steel for all walls. There is a double layer means inside there will be one layer of steel and there will be other one outside will be another one layer of steel.
I see.
So they are tied each other and form work will be made and then concrete is poured inside that.
Okay.
So similarly at the bottom also there will be a double layer of steel reinforcement will be there.
I see.
Is there. And also there will be top there is a design they have given for all this reinforcement. And this concrete has to be laid not at one stretch but at every 2 feet interval you have to do that. So once you have to cast for 2 feet height, and then we have to raise the forum up and we have to do the remaining 2 feet and then balance. I mean every 2 feet interval you have to take up. I mean
I
600
see.
because at one point if you just pour more concrete, actually it's difficult to consolidate it. I mean
Oh, okay.
compact it.
So how much do you wait after pouring 2 feet?
So
2 days?
yeah, one day if you do it for the 600 height, then next day it will be another 600
I see.
and those are all the marking pillars. They gives
Correct,
reference gives
correct,
for central line.
correct. Those are for the rooms,
Yeah, which
spaces
they have given
that will come up
yeah, yeah,
on top of
yes,
that.
yes.
Okay,
They are our benchmark so with reference to them actually the whole building goes up now.
right. Okay, thanks, Ravi.